Hello everybody. So today I wanted to make a video on me just cleaning and organizing everything here because it is disgusting. Like, I started to clean out my closet yesterday and I just noticed how much crap I have and how many things I just stick in that little area I have up there. Okay, so this is basically everything that used to be like in that area. So there's just so much crap and I'm folding laundry right now. And I just wanted to do like an extreme cleaning in my room with my clothes, with my stuff that I have. So I wanted to make this video to help motivate you guys too. But I'm just gonna fold the laundry that I have right now and then make my bed, and then I'll do all of that. I made a little list. Just make sure I get everything I want to get done today and in detail. So I put like drawer 1, drawer 2, drawer 3, and then I'm gonna be able to check everything off. Okay, so I just finished 2 drawers. I did my like pajama one, that was this one right here, and then I did shirts and like work shirts and everything like that. Now I'm done with 2. Oh, and these shirts over here on the side are shirts that were in the drawers but I need to hang up. Now we have to do 3 more drawers and I'm done with that, and then I have to go to my closet. I already made a video showing how I fold everything from like shirts to pants to underwear, like everything. I'm gonna link it up here or here, I'm not sure, so you guys can see it. But that's basically what I did, and now I'm just going to do my other 3, which is my like undergarments, then it's I think gym clothes, and then pants. So let's go. Okay, so something I did in the beginning was put like a box to help me organize the drawers so I can put more things and make it more like neat and tidy. I'm just going to fill this up with some leggings that I have, like workout leggings. Then I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I just finished 4 drawers. I didn't do my bra and underwear drawer because that's just a lot, and I'm gonna go eat right now and take a break. I'm just gonna show you guys everything, how it looks. My room is still messy. I still didn't take everything out of that corner. My bed I did and everything, but I still need to get that situated, and also my closet. But I'm just gonna show you guys the drawers. Okay, so this is the drawer that I actually didn't get to, so I'm just gonna leave that one out for right now. But this is my pajama set, or pajama drawer. These are some bulky items that I have, and then these are some dresses, and then some shirts that I folded. The next one are some shirts. This one fell down, but these are like more colorful tank tops, and then some white tank tops. These are some work shirts that I have. And then back here are some more work shirts that are black. and then some like crop top black shirts, and then my tank tops. The next one is my bottoms, my legging bottoms that I use for work and for working out. And then some shorts on this side, and then some workout shirts. I'm just gonna leave this side for working out. And then this side is for some shorts that I have. Next one is my jean pants. So there's some that are ripped, some flowy ones, some skinny jeans, all that, and then a jean skirt. But yeah, whew. I'm out of breath. So I still need to get all of that junk over there, but for right now, I'm just gonna take a break and go meet up with my boyfriend and maybe eat. I don't even know what we're doing, but I just need a break. I've been doing this all morning and I'm just tired. Okay, so it is much later. Basically 1 a.m. right now. Julio left like not that long ago. This is bothering me. My room still looks like this because I was literally like out the whole day. Julio came over, so I stayed in the living room with like our family and stuff, so it wouldn't be weird. I mean, he doesn't come in my room or anything, so I'm not just gonna come and be cleaning while he's over there by himself. So I had to just leave this cleaning for much later. So I'm like debating on if I should do it right now or if I should wake up earlier and do it, but I just hate waking up early. So I'm like, I just took a shower, so I feel really like energized to finish. I just want to lay down and just like watch a show or something like that, but I really want to get this done. I'm just like talking way too long because I really don't want to do this right now. Let's go. Okay, so this is after. It's kind of dark in my room right now because it's literally like 1 a.m. This is like the dresses. This is the dress I wore for Kevin's wedding. This is one of my like quince dresses that I had. My graduation dress, like things that I probably won't wear anymore, to be honest. I don't know if I will take it out because they have like sentimental value and I might use it again. I know I'm never gonna use my quince dress and I need to take it out, but you know, you just like, I don't know. I'm gonna clean it out, I promise. Okay, let's just get started. I'm talking way too long, but this is the before. Let's get this cleaned up. Okay, so I just finished. To me, it still looks like messy and not that organized, but it is way better than it was before, so I'm just gonna leave it. Right now, it is 1:40. So right now I'm just going to like put everything that's right there back in my closet. Sorry, it looks really like messy, but it's fine. So this is the final thing. I put all my rompers, then my dresses, then shirts, then long sleeves all the way till back there because there's some big bulky pieces that just need to be in the corner. And then over here I had a whole bunch, I took out a whole bunch of clothes, so I took that out and I don't have anywhere to put it right now, so I put it in that little box. It's really dark in here, sorry. But that is how I'm just gonna keep it right now. I'm gonna ask my mom if she needs some tomorrow. Then we'll get that situated. This right here is my makeup chair that I used to use at my old house. I would have a lot of clients, but because of like COVID and everything like that, I'm not doing a lot of house clients. So, and that I'm in school. So I'm not doing a lot of clients at home, so I feel like there's no point of just having a random chair in my room. So I just closed it and like I put it in here. It's really heavy, so I can't put it up here because I started to and it started to kind of crack. So I just put it down. And then this over here is my makeup, what is it called? It's my makeup suitcase thing that I take, and then back there I have the makeup that I need to put away, so I'm gonna do that right now. This is the clothes that I don't want, so I'm gonna leave it here. I think my uncle is doing garage sales, so I might just give it to them and then they can like do whatever. This is the makeup that I need to take out and put it in my drawers. Okay, so I just took out my makeup and put it in my makeup drawers. I wasn't able to record it because my phone was at 2% and I knew it was gonna die like as soon as I started recording, so I didn't even do that. I just put it to charge. But right now I am marking off my to-do list with the little checks. The list was make my bed, fold my laundry, clean out the drawers. I did 2 through 5 because the first one is my underwear drawer. I didn't get to this, but I will later on this week. I open my window because it just gives me more light and makes me more motivated, to be honest. So I did that. I cleaned out my closet, check. I color organized it, kind of, but I'm still gonna check it. Organize my craft stuff that I put in my closet as well, so perfect. I got everything done except for this little guy. I'll get the first drawer later on this week, so it's all good. I'm like so tired and I'm pretty sure it's like almost 2:30. I have to wake up at like 7 tomorrow, so I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was enjoyable and made you want to clean up and organize as well.